How do I appear offline to only one person on WhatsApp?
Hello there, savvy WhatsApp user. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to appear offline to only one person on WhatsApp without blocking them entirely? Well, you're not alone. WhatsApp doesn't provide a direct feature to appear offline to a specific contact, but there's a workaround. Today, we're going to break it down for you.
What's the current WhatsApp privacy setting?
First, let's get some basics out of the way. Currently, WhatsApp has a last seen feature, which shows when you were last online. But it has only 3 options: everyone, my contacts, and nobody. It means you can't customize this setting for a single contact. However, don't worry, there's a workaround for this.
The workaround. How to apply it?
To appear offline to a single person without blocking them, you will have to tweak a few settings. Follow these steps. 1. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. 2. Tap on Account and then on Privacy. 3. Now tap on Last Seen and set it to My Contacts. This will make you appear online only to your contacts. 4. After you've done this, you need to remove the specific person from your contact list. You can do this by going to your phone's Contacts app and deleting their information. They won't know they've been removed. By doing this, that particular person won't be able to see your last seen status or whether you are currently online, making you appear offline to them. However, they can still send you messages, and you can read their messages without appearing online.
What are the limitations?
While this method works, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. The person will still be able to send you messages, and they will also see the double check marks indicating that the message has been delivered. If you reply, they will know you are active. You won't be able to see their last seen status or whether they are online either. And there you have it. With this clever workaround, you can effectively appear offline to a specific contact on WhatsApp without blocking them. Although it's not a perfect solution, it can certainly help in certain situations. Remember to use this responsibly, and happy messaging!